EU citizens just got the citizenship of Europe, and you are a seafarer looking to embark on board the European Social Security, we have this job opportunity. If you are an AB with experience in RoPax ships, RoRo ships, 3,100 euros plus Italian Social Security, huge fleet, 22 RoRos and 55 passenger ships. If you are OS or you have no experience, you come from cruise companies, whether you are from Ukraine or you are from the Maghreb, Arabian countries, or you are from any other Pakistan, any other non-European country, but now you do have the European citizenship, you can apply these ratings for Italian flag, and you don't need to speak English. This video is in English because it is common for all. But you don't need to speak English, so like and subscribe, pass throughout your social media groups of interest, and then we also, if you don't have experience, if you come from a cruise, flag of convenience, tanker, chemical, bunker, tug, offshore, or you want to be very close to your family, you want to jump as AB, then on board this fleet. If you don't have experience as AB with RoRo ships, then you can join as always, 2,200 euros, and then get experience on board and promote. You're going to promote very fast because now we have the European summer, very soon Easter, and the RoRo, the passenger activity, is going to multiply times 2. So we are looking approx to 300 ABs, 300 OSs, 300 junior officers, which we have to study the endorsement because this video is not for the officers yet. You know that Europe has 26 different countries and each of them endorse, accept the certificates of each country. Spanish flag does not allow Panama and Venezuela. Yeah, this is crazy. But you know, yeah, these institutions does what they do, this. Then you have Italian flag, the same thing, we have to have the endorsement. So this video is just for the ratings, and then we have the Malta and the Madeira and the Cyprus and the Dutch and the Finnish and the German and then the French, and then we have all these different flags, different endorsements. So this video is for the ratings, is an easy one. If you are new European and you want to join Italian flag, huge fleet, 22 RoRos, 55 passenger ships, apply in Candina. If you have any questions, please ask below. This fleet has Italian Social Security. It's a huge asset, 2 years on board, 2 years unemployment, 20 years work with this company. You have the pension, health sanitary assistance. If you're a woman also, you can apply here. We also need plumbers, fitters, bosuns, electricians, 3,200, cooks, 2,800 net. And thank you very much for your time. Apply urgently. Any questions, please write below and pass throughout all your groups. If you are from immigrants group of Ukrainians, immigrant group of any other nationality from Asia or from America or from Africa, just ask questions, we will reply to them kindly, fast, because Europe has no crew at all. And now you, new Europeans, could get a job with the Social Security. Thank you. Bye.